Joyce Salayan from BSed English 2A, and this is my second video under Module 8. So let's start. Hans Christian Andersen Fairy Tales is a renowned collection of enchanting stories that have activated readers for generations. Written by the Danish author Hans Christian Andersen and first published in 1835. This anthology comprised numerous tales that delve into the realms of fantasy, morality, and human emotions. Andersen's stories often features protagonists facing trials and tribulations from mermaids, yearning for human love to tin soldiers. Embarking on epic adventures, each tale is infused with rich imagery, vivid descriptions, and poignant themes, inviting readers into magical worlds where anything is possible. Through his imaginative narratives, Andersen explores profound concepts such as love, friendship, sacrifice, and pursuit of happiness, leaving a lasting impact on readers of all ages. His ability to weave moral lessons with whimsical storytelling has secured his place as one of the most celebrated authors in the realm of fairy tales. Grimm's fairy tale consists around 200 stories, mostly derived from oral traditions, featuring a variety of characters such as heroes, clever protagonists, and mythical beings. Explore the themes like good triumphing over evil and consequences of greed and vanity. Set in fantastical realms, enchanted forests, or ordinary village. Lessons stress kindness, honesty, and true love. In contrast, Disney adaptation present idealized characters, particularly princess, with themes focusing on love, friendship, and defeating evil in magical kingdoms. Grimm's tales feature more flawed characters, darker themes, and realistic settings with lessons about resilience, resourcefulness, and facing consequences. The 1001 Nights, also known as the Arabian Nights, is a collection of stories of a certain date and authorship. The main character is Shahrazad, a new wife who must tell her husband, King Shahrayar, a new story every night to save her life. The theme of the story revolves around adventure, love, magic, and morality. The setting varying from ancient Persia to India and other parts of Middle East. Through these tales, the lessons taught include the power of storytelling, the consequence of an action, the importance of wisdom, and the value of perseverance. Peter Rabbit follows the adventures of a mischievous rabbit disobeying his mother and facing consequences, teaching lessons on responsibility and parental advice. Curious George portrays a playful monkey's adventures with the man in the yellow hat, emphasizing curiosity, friendship, and problem solving. Charlotte Charlotte Webb centers on Wilbur the Peg's friendship with the Charlotte the Spider, teaching about compassion, loyalty, friendship, and a farm setting. Winnie the Pooh is a set in the Hundred Acre Wood, a charming and idyllic forest where the main characters reside. The setting is characterized by its tranquil and timeless atmosphere, filled with lush greenery and meandering streams. Each character has their own unique spot in the wood, such as Pooh's truthful spots under a tree or a rabbit cozy, a burrow. The changing seasons from the golden hues of autumn to the snowy landscape of winter provide a backdrop for the characters' adventures. Overall, the Hundred Arc would serve as a comforting and magical setting where friendship and simple joys are celebrated.